requested support for a traffic stop. Is that correct?
Yeah, I'm on a traffic stop. He's requested my license and my insurance. Excuse me.
And just so you know, the Constitution protects you.
You have current proof of insurance? This is no good. This is sometime in the future.
Sometime in the future?
September?
March 2025? Good until September?
I know. Well, it says effective date September.
Well, it's paid. It's paid all through until then.
This is August.
Yeah. Well, it's paid. It's paid up.
So you don't have proof of insurance, sir?
That is my proof of insurance.
I actually have.
So no.
I actually have his
That
policy
is my,
number.
I'm giving him proof of insurance, and he's not accepting it.
Sir, I actually.
Chaz, the reason why you're going so fast back there?
You can't. Please refer your questions to me.
Hi, sir. I actually have his insurance policy number.
That's fine. We're going to give you 2 citations today, one for no proof of insurance and one for...
I gave you proof of insurance.
I actually have his insurance information available.
Because it wasn't proof of insurance. All right. I'll be with you in a few minutes.
I'm sorry. I'm having trouble here.
I actually have your policy number right here.
I can barely hear you. Let me try connecting this through my car.
Okay.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Okay. Yeah, that's much better. You're going through the car now.
Okay. I heard that he wants to try to give you a citation for lack of insurance, but I have your insurance policy number on the app that I can provide to him as well.
Well, he wouldn't accept it. He walked away. I have proof of insurance here. I showed it to him. It's effective this says from September 10th through March 10th, but it's paid up until then. This is what the insurance company sent me.
Yes, sir. And we have this recording of this video to show that you did provide him with that. So if you need to contest the citation, if he ends up giving you a citation for that, you can go ahead and contest it, and we can have this video as evidence for you.
Okay.
Because I can also give him the policy number, which he has the ability to look up.
Well, the policy number was on the card that I gave him, and he didn't want to.
Yeah, it seems like he.
I think he was upset that I told him that he needed to talk to you.
Yeah. And I noticed he was asking some questions of you, and I just want to make sure that you know your rights and that you don't.
I didn't answer anything.
Exactly. What did he say he initially pulled you over for? Speeding? Okay.
Yeah. I was trying to work the volume out on the phone, so I couldn't hear everything he said. I wanted him to talk to you instead of me.
Yes, sir.
I told him I was getting my lawyer on the line, and he just kept talking.
Yeah, not all cops are very nice.
Yeah, he seemed upset about that.
Yeah, they don't always like it when you bring a lawyer into it.
Yeah, he tried to ask me why I was going so fast. I told him to refer his questions to you. And that's when he decided he was going to go back.
He might not want to talk to me. He might not want to talk to me, but just know if he does keep asking you questions, you don't have to answer them, even if he won't talk to me.
Yeah, I understand that. Yeah, he could have easily looked up the policy number on the insurance card that I gave him. I don't know why he didn't do that.
Yeah, and that's the other reason why we like you guys to upload your information here, so that in case you didn't have it with you, we could tell the officer and have him look it up as well. I don't.
Right. I always try to keep it in my car. I have a clip up here. I keep my insurance up there, my registration, my driver's license. I always try to keep it with the car. Another police car just pulled up.
Oh boy. Well, I will do my best to diffuse this situation if they're trying to have it escalate in any way. And just because another officer did show up, I want to let you know that they don't have the right to search your vehicle unless you give them permission.
I'm not going to give them consent. I'm actually going to roll up all my windows and lock the doors. Yeah, they're just talking to each other. He's not writing down anything.
What state are you in?
Yeah, they're just talking to. I'm in Illinois. I'm in Wakanda, Illinois. Okay. This is the Wakanda Police Department.
Is that a smaller town?
It's semi-small. It's 2 major highways going through, not expressways, just highways. A vacation town, more or less. Here he comes.
Okay.
Here's your driver's license, 2 citations. One's for no insurance, one's for speeding. Report date is at 10:30 in the morning at the Mundelein branch. If you have any questions, it is a mandatory court appearance.
No questions.
Right, have a good day.
I guess that's it. Appreciate the time.
Absolutely. And if you need a copy of this video as evidence, especially for that insurance citation he gave you, you can reach out to support, and they will provide you with a copy of the video where it's clearly shown that you hand him your insurance information.
Okay.
So
I thank you very much. I don't trust them. So I'm just going to go ahead and start driving away now.
Why don't you go ahead and end the call first so that you don't get in trouble for being on your phone while driving?
Okay.
And I can end the call for you if you want.
Okay, yeah. I got that. All right, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it.
No problem. You have a good rest of your day.
Okay. You too.